Hello, good morning again, and today we're going to be doing interview number 4. And for this we're going to be using two different problems. So we're going to be using an if statement and a switch statement. And just for both of these we're going to use for, we're going to take the input from the user to see if it brings outputs, if it can determine if it's an even number or an odd number. So we're going to start off with the if statement. So here is going to start off again. I want to put include, and we are going to be including a string. And now we're going to be doing int main. Make sure we got the keyword. Main. Alright, and now we can start it. And we're going to do std and we're going to say enter an integer. And then just alright, and oh, there we go. Now we're going to be doing sin again. Yes, it did it for us. It's fine. Sin, and we're going to be doing num. Now we're going to check if it's even or not. Now for this we're going to do if num %2. Oh. Yeah, some spaces. And after we've done that, alright. Alright, so now we have for our if statement half of it for even numbers. Now for the odd, first gotta close this up, and now do the same thing. We're going to do, actually we're going to do else, and now after we do else, do this bracket again. And I'm just going to do very good odd. Keep on forgetting to put these on it. Yeah. Alright. And now this is just a random. And we're going to close it up like this. And before I forget, we want to have one in each of these. And alright, so now we get to run it. So I almost forgot we need a 0 here. Alright, so now if we run it, we can now enter an integer and say, what happened? Let's say 8, and it's even. So that's for that, and we can run it again. And we can have, say, 7, for example. And this error, and this is odd. So that's for the if statement. And now we'll go back for the switch statement. Alright, hello, welcome back. And now we're going to be doing for the switch statement. So we're going to be doing something similar, just using switch statement for even or odd. So now we're going to be do include and do stream. And we're going to do ints. Keyword main, and we're now going to open up, and now we'll use int again. We'll use num. Alright, and now we're going to prompt the user for the integer, so it's the key difference. Well, not key difference, not yet. So we're going to do std okay, that's fine. The couch, and now we're going to ask the user enter an integer, and there we go. So now we're going to do no, and then now we are going to go into here. Before I forget, do the same thing over here. Now we go again, and now we're going to use the switch. So we're going to do switch. We're going to say num %2, and now we're going to do bracket again. Use the curly bracket. I'm going to do case 0, and then we're going to do std again. And if we're going to do vanilla backslash, and then now we're going to use the break command. Alright, and now after this break command, we're going to go back and we're going to do case 1, and then we're going to do case -1. So this just allows it to handle even and odd numbers. So if it's even number or odd one, and then now do std, and we're going to do And then now we're going to do break again. Alright. And now we can close this bracket. And that's our switch statement. And we can, now after this, we can do return 0 to close the program. And now we can see after we run it, alright, if we let it run, oh, now it's running. So now we can say 5, for example, it says odd, we can run it again, and we can say we'll say 4, and it tells us even. So thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.